Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add extensions to Brave. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up the browser. Now, once done, you have two ways to add an extension, okay? Go to the top. As you can see, we have the Extensions tab. When you click on it, you can just easily click on Manage Extensions and to add in new extensions. As you can see here, I have a ton of extensions. All right. So another way to add in an extension is just by clicking on three horizontal lines right here at the top right. Now click on Extensions. Now click on Visit Web Store. Okay. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you're going to want to find the extension that you would like to add. Okay. You have AdBlock here, VPNs, name it. Okay. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and add in this one, the Sound Booster. Okay, I'm going to click on it and just click on Add to Brave. Wait for it to load, and there'll be a pop-up right here at the very top. Just click on Add Extension. Wait for it to fill install. And once done, as you can see here, it now says Sound Booster has been added to Brave. Just click on Close. Now go to the top, click on Extensions. And here we have Sound Booster. You can go ahead and click on it to open it up. And depending on the extensions that you have added, the UI right here may vary. And that is it. That's how simple it is to add an extension to Brave. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.